Alright, welcome back to the channel everybody. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and today we are working on a spec for the McLaren Speedtail that was just announced. A quick rundown of the specs. Over 1,000 horsepower, 106 are being produced, which is in legacy of the original McLaren F1, which they also produce 106 of. Roughly $2 million, and you can't actually buy one because they're already sold out. This car's design has been very controversial thus far. The pictures actually leaked the night before the unveiling, and the internet was immediately stunned. Most reactions were pretty much like, "What is this?" But that's to be expected, especially from hypercars of today where form follows function. And at the end of the day, these designers are way ahead of trends that our eyes are not familiar with. So it takes more time for some of these designs to make sense to our eyes. Even I was skeptical at first, but the looks have already grown on me, especially after experimenting with a few specifications. In this case, I went with a gloss volcano orange fade into a gloss carbon finish, along with some other minor details that you'll notice. Another controversial aspect of the Speedtail's design are the front floating wheel covers, but I chose to embrace them as part of the specification since they're just so different from the norm, and they brought in a whole new element not typically experimented with on any other production car, really. And for those who hate the covers, they're actually optional from McLaren, so I would expect to see some specs without them. I'm also proud to say that this spec caught the attention of some McLaren employees. David Davis, who is an engineer at McLaren, told me this rendering was presented to the internal design team and was received very positively. And also Alex Alexiev, who is the senior designer at McLaren, who I was fortunate enough to have a lengthy conversation with, and he also had very flattering things to say about this spec. So that was a cool feather in the cap moment for me. So in the comments below, let me know what you think of this, and also don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate that if you would like to see more. So sit back, relax, and I'll let this video play out, and I'll catch back up with you guys in a minute. And there it is. Leave a comment below of your thoughts on this spec or just the Speedtail in general. I'm always curious to hear your opinions. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos, and I'll catch you guys next time.